Hello, Christina. May I ask you 4 questions about your ringtone? What ringtone do you use?
Currently I'm using Florida. It's a song by Florida called Right Round.
Can you play the ringtone, please?
Yeah, sure. This is the ringtone.
Okay, it's very nice. Where did you find it?
I found it through the internet, downloaded it through the internet.
Why do you have this ringtone? What does it mean to you?
This ringtone is one of the top songs right now, so I really like it because it's very hip hop and one of the most popular songs right now in MTV also.
Okay, thank you very much
Thank you.
for the interview.
Thank
You're
you.
really very helpful.
Thank you.